Hello friends, today we are going to see the story of Mr. Sushil Kumar. He had won the Kaun Banega Crorepati in 2012. He got prize money of rupees 5 crore. But nowadays he don't have even one job. And he lost all his money. He lost his past job and monthly salary of rupees 6,000 also. But now the question arises why this intelligent man comes in this situation. Many of us might be right now thinking that if we have got this much of money, what are the things that we will do in our life? But the truth is, many of us also came in the same situation as Mr. Sushil Kumar has right now. But the main question is why Mr. Sushil Kumar facing these issues after winning 5 crore? Friends, there are so many things that we have learned till now in our schools and colleges. But we are not going to get the full knowledge about financial education. But it is very important to be financially educated in today's world. And because of financial uneducation and lack of proper financial planning puts the Mr. Sushil Kumar in this kind of situation. Now we will see Global Financial Literacy Ranking of countries published by Forbes. Friends, Norway, Denmark, Sweden, Israel and Canada are the top 5 financially literate countries according to the Forbes. The United States of America, who has largest economy in the world, comes on 14th number. The condition in India of financial literacy is very worst, and India comes on 121 number out of 148 countries. So, let us see what actually financial literacy means. Let us see what actually financial literacy means. Please do not take any tension because it is very simple than whatever you are thinking. So friends, your capacity to manage your money properly is a financial literacy. Now we will see this in detail. There are 4 things comes in normal income statement. First one is income. The example of income is your job. You will get paid monthly till you are doing a job. But once you stop working, you are not going to get any kind of salary. The second thing is expenses. The example of expenses are water bills, electric bills, means such a things that you must have to pay. There are no excuses. The third is assets. This is the best thing to have because it will pay you without doing any kind of work. It is very important to increase your assets in your life. For example, money which comes from rents, stocks, mutual fund and so on. The fourth thing is liabilities. This is what which takes money from your pocket, such as car loan, home loan, etc. So my dear friends, if you want to manage your money and to take financial decisions properly, and if you want to achieve financial stability, you should be financially educated person. In the next coming video, we will see how poor, middle class and rich people spend their money so that we will get an idea about money management. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.